Hwang for Podence, now Jimenez. Hwang trying to drive into the penalty area. He's done well to keep hold of possession. Lovely one in field. Jimenez passed it into the bottom corner, and Wolves are in front. Cool, calm finish from Jimenez. Back in the starting lineup and back in the goals. This is Johnny in an advanced position into the penalty area, left-footed cross, comes through to Aït-Nouri. Oh, it's an own goal! Turned into the near post. Aït-Nouri gets the congratulations. But for the third Premier League meeting in a row, Watford have put the ball in their own net. Samir back to Foster. Oh, and a poor kick from him. Straight to Daniel Podence. Podence for three! It's too easy for him. The mistake from Ben Foster. Wolves fans will love that even more. And Daniel Podence took his time and coolly, calmly sent it into the back of the net. Aït-Nouri crossing towards the far post. Chiquinho will head it back. Neves, time to take a touch and a second, and then a little dig. Oh, it's a genius! That's incredible! Ruben Neves, he thinks therefore he plays, and he plays the game in a majestical fashion. He's such a special talent, and he's scored a special goal, and it's another for the increasingly incredible collection.